In this video, I'm going to show you top 10 cash cow YouTube channel ideas that makes you tons of money every single month from YouTube. Hi friends, welcome back to Cash Cow Automation channel. Before start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click on bell notifications, write done on comment section and get a chance to win free YouTube monetized channel. Don't miss number one niche, believe me, you never heard about it. If you don't know what are cash cow YouTube channels and how to start a cash cow channel, so please watch my last upload. So just get straight over to the computer. Number 10, experiment videos. Experiment videos is one of the best niche to get started. If you have a car or if you just have the reach of the outside, or maybe you can hire content managers, and if you don't know how to find content managers, you can DM me on Instagram. Experiment video is so super crazy niche. All you have to do is just do experiment with multiple things, like people are doing Fanta and Mentos experiment, Coke and Mentos, Sprite and Mentos, and the car crashing content. They just putting random bunch of things in front of the car, and when the car pass away, then they just record it and upload it. So it's a very crazy and biggest niche to jump in. Number 9, horror stories. As the people love to watch horror movies, so as well people also love to listen horror stories. You can just basically using stock footages, and you can hire the people for how you can hire the basically content managers. They do all work for the horror stories. They just have to do just creating the horror stories from the multiple stories all over the world, and you can just tap into this niche, and this is the one of the best niche so far. Number 8, dogs. Dogs is one of the biggest niche on YouTube. There are 100 kinds of dogs available all over the world. People love to watch the video for their dogs. They want to know how to train their dogs and how to do all of the stuff. So that's why I just suggest you to jump into the dogs niche, and you can just seeing something on my screen using the dogs channels, how people are creating content. They just hire cash cow content managers. Content manager do all work and they upload and they get profit. Number 7, TikTok compilations. TikTok compilations is one of the biggest niche and one of the most viral niche also, because they just need to download other people TikTok, compile them and do voiceover. But for this kind of specific niche, I suggest you to buy already monetized channels, those channels which are already monetized. So you just need to get started right away, and if you want that, you just contact me via Instagram. Number 6, building personality channels and success development. Like people want to know how to build confidence, how to build how to good look, and how to attract girls, how to be loved by someone. So you just need to go to Google, find the information about that, and you can just create a content on that. This is one of the most popular niche and most niche that gets lots of watch time again and again. This is basically our evergreen niche. Number 5, motivation speeches, which is so super niche. You just need to download the motivation audios. You can also get some free from these sites like archive.org, or you can hire content managers who do all a bunch of stuff. And if you want, so just let me know in the comment section, and basically you can just go and create the motivation videos, because people love to be motivated. They want motivation to do better work, to do work by wisely, and they want motivation for going to gym. So it's a super best idea. Number 4, meditation. It's a good niche, but now it's going to be very saturated. If you want to jump in that niche, so just do it quickly, because meditation is one of the biggest niche and is one of the best niche, because there are so many categories in meditation, like the relaxing music, like the soothing music, and like nature sounds, and all of the bunch of stuff you can see on my screen. So meditation is also a great niche. Number 3, street food. Well, you never heard about it. Street food are the niche that going very viral nowadays. You just need to go outside, maybe by own, or maybe hire content managers who do all of this work. They just go and record the food videos, edit and upload on your channel, or maybe given to you, and you can upload them by own. So street food is the best name. You can also jump into it. You just need to be very specific in that. Number 2, how to lose weight. People love to lose weight. People are fat in this year. They will forever. So there's a very evergreen niche, and you can just pop up the basically all of the content from Google, from YouTube, from Cura Forms. You can write the best scripts if you're doing everything by yourself. Otherwise, you can hire content managers on how to lose weight niche. They do all the content, you're getting views. And one of the best thing about the losing weight, that you can get the multiple streams income. Like you can promote affiliate products, you can promote clickbank products in that particular niche, you can get sponsorship as well. Before revealing this niche, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on bell notifications. Number 1, loopholes. Loopholes is one of the best niche because you're getting the watch time again and again and again. So let's say if I go to the YouTube and write disco lights flashing, you can see that this person is posting 10-hour video, and you can check out the views, man. This person is making like 40 to 50 grand every single month from this specific videos. So this is one of the biggest and easiest niche to work on. You don't need to just basically a voiceover for that, or you can basically buy already monetized channel for this niche and you can just get started right away. Now that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below and basically share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram if you have any question at any time, at any day. Thank you so much. Goodbye.